spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold that breath. Oh, oh, oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजम्। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगम् पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभि रामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोर्मं भोर्वललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा। मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगात्
नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणं चोट्टानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. So we have seen first 83 Dashakams. We have to start with 84th Dashakam. 84th Dashakam Chandas is Pushpitagra. We have not done it before. Yes? Have you done it before? No, we haven't done this Chandas. It's a new Chandas for all of us. So this Chandas basically has total 50 syllables. The first pada and the first pada and the third pada will have 12 syllables. And the second and the fourth pada will have 13 syllables. So it will go 12 plus 13, 12 plus 30, 25 plus 25, 50. Okay. Anybody is interested in having the definition of it? Okay. Then please write it. AUG. Or maybe if you want, I can just type it in the group later so that we can complete two dashakams. But I'll just read it off. It is AUG na yuge rekhato yakaro and then yuji cha najau jaragascha pushpitagra. So which means in the first line there is nagana, ragana and yagana. Nagana, ragana, yagana. Please write it down. Nagana, ragana, and yagana. And in the second line, it has nagana, jagana, and ragana, and one guru. So Prashantji, about the ganas, I'll post again later in the group because you'll have to catch it up. So now when I'll post the definition, everybody please figure out the ganas. And I'll open the group. So discuss it out and we'll save the class time. Okay. So this is the definition. So 4 ganas in top, 4 ganas down, but with one guru that makes it the 13th alphabet. Okay. So 12 plus 30, 12 plus 30. Each gana has 3. So 4 ganas, 12. Okay. Nagan, dragan, yagan. Then Nagan, Jagan, Dragan, and Guru. I'll put the definition and we all will discuss and define that definition. I've given the answer, but using the words over there, you will have to figure it out. Okay, let us start. Pushpitagra, where are we? Okay, Arjun, let's first start with you. So now in this, it is Samanta Panchaka Yatra Varnana. So pilgrimage to Samanta Panchaka. क्वचिदथ तपनोपरागकाले
क्वचिदथ तपनोपरागकाले
पुरिनिदधत्कृतवर्मकामसूनु
पुरिनिदधत्कृतवर्मकामसूनु
यदुकुलमहिलावृतः सुतीर्थम्
यदुकुलमहिलावृतः सुतीर्थम्
समुपगतोऽसि समन्तपञ्चकाख्यम्
समुपगतोऽसि समन्तपञ्चकाख्यम् क्वचिदथ तपनोपरागकाले पुरिनिदधत्कृतवर्मकामसूनु यदुकुलमहिलावृतः सुतीर्थम् समुपगतोऽसि समन्तपञ्चकाख्यम्
Puri, Purasva, Re also, Rasva only. Kvachit, Atha. Kvachit, once upon a time. Atha. Then what had happened? Tapana Uparaga Kale. Tapana Uparaga Kale. Tapana Surya. Uparaga eclipse. When there was an eclipse, so when there was a solar eclipse, Puri Nidadhat. Puri from his place, Nidadhat has gone. Where Puri is that place, means where from Dwaraka, Nidadhat giving Dwaraka to whom? Krutavarma and Kamasunu. So we know Pradyumna is a Kamadeva's burnt avatar afterwards. His son, that is Aniruddha. So giving Puri Nidadhat, giving the Puri, giving Dwaraka Puri to Krutavarma and Aniruddha. Then second line, Yadukula Mahila Vritaha. With all the Yadukula Mahilas, with all the women folk of Yadukula, Samanta Panchakakhyam Sutirtham. Sutirtham, like one Tirtha Sthana, one pilgrimage place, which is known by Samanta Panchakakya, by the name of Samanta Panchakakya, Samupagataha Asi. So when this word Asi comes, like Pathasi, means you have gone. So with the Samam Upagataha, with whom? With Yadukula Mahila Vritaha. So with Yadukula Mahila Vritaha, you had gone to this Tirthasthana called as Samanta Panchaka. Kvachidatha tapanoparagakale Purinidadhat Takritavarma Kamasunu Yadukula Mahila Vritassutirtham Samupagatosi Samanta Panchakakhyam. Anish, nice to see you in August. Bahutar janata hitaya tatra.
बहुतर जनता हिताय तत्र
Vamapi punandini majjatirthatoyam.
त्वमपि पुनन्दिनिमज्जतीर्थतोऽयम्
Vijagana parimukta viktarashihi.
जगणपरिमुक्तवित्तराशिः
Samamilathah kuru pandavadimitraihi.
सममिलथः कुरु पाण्डवादिमित्रैः बहुतरजनता हिताय तत्र त्वमपि विनिमज्य तीर्थतोऽयम् विजगणपरिमुक्तिवत् मुक्तवित्तराशिः सममिलथः कुरु पाण्डवादिमित्रैः
Mitraihi. Visarga is there. Bahutara Janata Hitaya. Bahutara. For most of Janata. For most of Janata. For most of people. Hitaya. For well-being of most of the people. Tatra. Over there. Vamapi. You also. Punan. Vinimajya. Tirtha Toyam. So you did whatever. Jalarpana, Tarpana, ablutions, whatever had to be done. You have done that. Okay. Then Dvijagana. Dvijagana for all the Brahmanas. Parimukta Vittarashihi. Vittarashi, money. Parimuktaha. Freely you have given away lot of money to the Brahmanas. And then Samamilathaha. Then you have joined Kuru Pandavadi Mitraihi. Kuru, Pandava, etc. all other friends. You went and you mingled with all of them. Bahutara janata hitaya tatra Tvamapi punan vinimajjatirthatoyam. This punati word you must have heard, no? To purify. So this punan, purified by doing all the tarpana and ablutions. Vijagana parimukta vittarashihi samamilathah kuru pandavadi mitraihi. Anika. तव खलु दयिता जनैः समेता
तव खलु दयिता जनैः समेता
द्रुपदसुता त्वयि गाढ भक्तिभारा
द्रुपद सुता त्वयि गाढ भक्तिभाराः
no visarga, bhara only.
द्रुपद सुता त्वयि गाढ भक्तिभारा
Correct. तदुदित भवदाहृति प्रकारैः
तदुदित भवद् आहृति प्रकारैः
अतिमुमुदे सममन्य भामिनीभिः
अतिमुमुदे सममन्य भामिनीभिः तव खलु दयिता जनैः समेता द्रुपदसुता त्वयि गाढ भक्तिभाराः तदुदित भवदाहृदि प्रकारैः अतिमुमुदे सममन्य भामिनीभिः.
Yonika, lovely chanting. Okay. Now what happens? Tava khalu, yours, indeed, khalu, indeed. Daita janaihi, third case, plural. Daita janaihi with daita jana, means with your dear ones, with wives. Sameta, with them. Drupada Suta, daughter of Drupada, Draupadi. Tvai Gadha Bhakti Bhara, in you who has deep devotion. Who? Draupadi, who has deep devotion. Daita Janai Sameta, with your wives, she has mingled. And then Tadudita Bhavat Ahuti Prakaraihi. Tadudita. They were telling Udita what they told. Bhavat Ahruti. Ahruti, Aharana, kidnapped. Prakaraihi. Different. So he has got so many wives and different wives we have seen in the other Leelas. How each one of them have kidnapped and how he have got so many wives. So that Prakaraihi, all those varieties, Bhavat Ahruti Prakaraihi. Ati mumude, listening to all that, samam anya bhamini bhihi. Anya bhamini are women for anya with others also. So she was listening to the stories of all the other, how Krishna had kidnapped or how Krishna got so many wives. All his leelas, these women folk are talking, and it was delighting her very much. To whom? To Draupadi. Tava khalu daita janai sameta Drupada suta tvait gadha bhakti bhara tadudita bhavadahati prakaraihi atimumude samamanya bhamini. Bhami is short, ni is dirgha and bhi is again short. Samamanya bhamini bhihi. Ni bhihi. We have to note it. Okay. Is Prahlad there today? No. So all adults can raise hands. Lalitama. Can you bring your camera a little down so that I can see your mouth for the pronunciations? Yeah. Number 4. Tadanu Bhagavan Nirikshya Gopan.
तदनु च भगवन्निरीक्ष्य गोपा
Gopan. No, half no.
तदनु च भगवन्निरीक्ष्य गोपान्
Atikutukadupagamya manayitva.
अतिकुतुकादुपगम्य मानयित्वा
चिरतरविरहातुराङ्गरेखाः
चिरतरविरहातुराङ्गरेखाः
पशुपवधूः सरसन्त्वमन्वयासीः
पशुपवधूः सरसं त्वमन्वयासीः तदनु च भगवन्निरीक्ष्य गोपान् अतिकुतुकादुपगम्य मानयित्वा चिरतरविरहातुराङ्गरेखाः पशुपवधूः सरसन्त्वमन्वयासीः.
And now what has happened? Tadanu, thereafter, Bhagavan, O Lord, Nirikshya Gopan. So plural, having seen Gopa, like Devan, Dvitiya. So having seen the Gopas, Ati Kutukat, with great joy, Upagamya Manayitva, giving them the honor, he goes towards the Gopas. Who? Lord goes towards the Gopas. Chiratara Virahaturanga Huh? So, Chiratara. Chira is a very long time. Chiratara, really very, very long time. Viraha, separation. Atura, desperate out of separation, suffering out of desperation. Atura, Angarekha. Angarekha, the bodies have got slimmed down because of the grief caused by the separation. Whose? Pashupavadhuhu of the Gopikas. Sarasam, with very easily and happily. Tvam Anvayasihi. He approaches Gopikas also, who had slimmed down out of the pangs of separation with the Lord, whose bodies have slimmed down. So now you remember how, after how long now that he is seeing? So many things have happened. That time when Akrura had come, you remember that Ratha? Yeah. And they were thinking it is like, he's like, he had come to call on Kamsa's thing. Akrura had come and whose Ratha has come. And Lord was taken from there, right? From Gokula. He was taken to Mathura. Correct? So after that, only the Lord is seeing them. He had sent in between Uddhava and all. Lord has not come in between. So we have seen all that stories. I hope you all remember, huh? Okay. Tadanucha Bhagavan Niriksha Gopal Ati Kutukadupagamya Manahitva Chiratara Virahaturanga Pashupavadhu Sarasantvamanvayasihi. Tvam Anvayasihi. You approached the Gopikas. Lata Kartikji. Number 5. Sapadicha Bhavadikshanotsavena
सपदि च भवदीक्षणोत्सवेन
Pramushitamanahdanitambineenam
प्रमुषितमानहृदानितम्बिनीनाम्
Atirasa Parimukta Kanchulike.
अतिरसपरिमुक्तकञ्चुलीके
Parichaya Hridyatare Kuchenyalaishi.
परिचयहृत्यतरे कुचेन्यैलैषीः सपदि च भवदीक्षणोत्सवेन प्रमुषितमानहृदानितम्बिनीनाम् अतिरसपरिमुक्तकञ्चुलीके परिचयहृद्यतरे कुचेन्यलैषीः.
So now it's like ages have gone by. Gopikas have not seen him at all. And their bodies have slimmed down. And now suddenly Lord has approached them. So now that is the scene after many, many years. When you see your beloved, you are thinking of that one single person, what would be the reaction? Which we're not expecting, and now you are seeing that is come. So now in this verse, we see Gopika's immense love for the Lord spurting out at that moment. So that description is very beautiful. Sapadi. Sapadi is like immediately. Huh? Bhavat Ikshanotsavena. The description is seeing you, that immediately Bhavad Ikshana, seeing you, it's like a one big utsava. That means pramushita mana hridam. Pramushita manaha means they were actually annoyed, right? Why he has left us and all. There was little grievances. Everything has disappeared. Now they are nobody is feeling annoyed, angry with the Lord. All that is completely gone. And Nitambinina means the women folk. For them, with that joy of that moment, every grief, every pain has been forgotten, and the heart is filled with love for the God. Atirasa, so much atirasa. That means there's the intense love for the Lord has happened. And parimukta kanchulike, the hearts have swelled up and their angavastras have loosened up, or rather their knots have also fallen off. So much overflow of love in their heart. Their heart is swelled up with the love physically. And parichaya hridyatare. Parichaya is something familiar. Hridya is somebody who is dear. Hridyatara, most dearest beloved, who he is familiar. Lord is familiar with. Kuchena lyaishihi. Kuche is on the chest. Nyalaishihi, he absorbs in their chest. Lord has absorbed. So naturally, when we hug somebody, where do we hug? We just go and hug and bury ourselves. And Lord has also buried himself in the Gopikas. Gopikas have buried themselves in Lord. There's an intense overflow of love. Suddenly seeing Lord after so many years. Sapadi cha bhavadikshanotsavena pramushitamanahridannitam vinina atirasa parimukta kanchulike parichaya hridyatare kuchenyalaishi. May we have such love for Lord, such pang of separation for the Lord. Shubhaji, number 6. रिपुजन कलहैः पुनः पुनर्मे
रिपुजनकलहैः पुनः पुनर्मे
समुपगतैर्यति विलम्बनाभूत्
समुपगतैर्यति विलम्बनाभूत्.
Say again.
समुपगतैर्यति विलम्बनाभूत्.
I thought I heard something different. Iti krita parirambhane tvaidrak will be a advitva. Iti krita parirambhane tvaidrak.
इति कृतपरिरम्भणे त्वयिद्राक्.
We should pull for a dirgha, so then it will fit in the beat and the tune. Iti krita parirambhane tvaidrak.
इति कृतपरिरम्भणे त्वयिद्राक्.
अतिविवशा खलु राधिका निलिल्ये.
अतिविवशा खलु राधिका निलिल्ये. रिपुजनकलहैः पुनः पुनर्मे समुपगतैर्यति विलम्बनाभूत्. इति कृतपरिरम्भणे त्वयिद्राक्. अतिविवशा खलु राधिका निलिल्ये.
So one scene with Gopikas we saw. Now this one scene is with Radha. So now what happens? Ripu Jana Kalaihi. Ripu enemy. Ripu Jana with enemy for Kalaihi. There was so much war, there was so much conflicts. Punaha Punaha, again and again. There were so many enemies to deal with, so much wars to deal with. So Vilambana Bhut. That's why I was late to come. So Lord is explaining why he didn't see Gopikas for so many years. Samupagataihi iya samupagataihi iyati. So iyati samupagataihi iyati vilambana abhut. Samupagatai because there was so much of conflicts. That's why so much of delay has happened. Saying like that, iti. Saying like this, iti. Kruta parirambhane. Kruta parirambhane. Parirambhana is to hug. Lord hugs Radha. Tvai drak. So tvai drak ati vivasha. So when Radha hears this and Radha now melts into Lord's embrace and she becomes Ati Vivasha. She was so very overwhelmed, Kalu. Radhika, Nilile. She just gets absorbed in the Lord. She doesn't want to hear any explanation now. Now Lord is already in front of her. So why was there delay? So when Lord has Kruta Parirambhana, she Nilile. She melts into his overwhelmed, having got Lord back. रिपुजन कलहैः पुनर्पुनर्मे समुपगतैर्यति विलम्बनाभूत् इति कृतपरिरम्भणे त्वयिद्राक् अतिविवशा खलु राधिका निलिल्ये. राधा कृष्ण जी. Number 7. अपगत विरह व्यथास्तदाताः. We have to give a visarga.
अपगत विरह व्यथास्तदाताः.
Because we broke the sandhi. रहसि विधाय दधात तत्त्वबोधम्.
रहसि विधाय ददाथ तत्त्वबोधम्.
परमसुखचिदात्मकोऽहमात्मेत्युदयुतः. We have to atmeti. We cannot do atmeti and udayatu because then we'll break the chandas. So we have to go all together for this line. Paramasukhachidatmakohamaatmetyudayatu vaskutameva chetasiti vaskutam. परमसुखचिदात्मकोऽहमात्मेत्युदयतु वस्फुटमेव चेतसीति.
परमसुखचिदात्मकोऽहमात्मेत्युदयतु वस्फुटमेव चेतसीति.
वस्फुटमेव.
अपगत विरह व्यथास्तदाताः रहसि विधाय ददाथ तत्त्वबोधम्. परमसुखचिदात्मकोऽहमात्मेत्युदयतु वस्फुटमेव चेतसीति.
So now is that point. What Lord does in this verse is giving the Atmatnyan to the Gopikas. So when the Atmatnyan can happen, apagata viraha vyatha. If mind is consumed by vyatha, can we sit and meditate? If I am not having peace of mind, let me sit quietly and meditate. Definitely you are not a fit person to meditate. We are not fit person to meditate when we have got preoccupied mind. So now is over here, in this particular, when it starts, apagata, having gone, what? Viraha vyatha. The pangs of separations have been removed. Mind is available now. So that time, taha rahasi, secretly to all of them, gopis, vidhaya dadhata tattva bodham. Lord gives tattva bodha to them in secrecy. So it just can't be openly told also. So many things are there. Mind should not be preoccupied. It should be available for the knowledge. It just can't be. Bhagavad Gita is available. So many people are selling the books over the railway platform, everything openly given. Can anybody understand Bhagavad Gita with that? If somebody buys Bhagavad Gita, any Bhagavad Gita knowledge comes out. Rahasi, secretly. And by having the book, do we get the knowledge? It has to be told. It has to be taught. Guru Shishya, Bandha has to happen. So all things have come in this particular verse. Apagata Vyatha is there. Mind is made available. It's purified now. It is Rahasi. And then Dadhata Tattva Bodham. It is given. It is told. So the parampara is also there. And what is being told? Aham Parama Sukha Chidatmakaha. You see that? Aham Chidatmakoham. So, Aham Parama Sukha Chidatmakaha Atma. I am that supreme. Parama. I am that Chit. Consciousness. I am that bliss. Like this, he tells Udayatu Vaha Sphutameva. See, in your Chetasi is in your heart. Udayatu Sphutameva. Let this be clear in your heart. Let this rise. Let this knowledge be very crystal clear in your heart that I am that Parama Sukha Chidatmakaha Atma. So that supreme consciousness bliss is me. May this dawn upon in your heart very clearly, doubtlessly. Like this, Dadhata Tattva Bodham, Lord has given them the highest knowledge. To whom? To Gopikas. Where? Rahasi. How? When? When they were Apagata Viraha Vyatha. Mind has to be available. Keeping 100 problems in the head cannot sit in the satsang nor meditation. So will our problems go by not attending satsang? No. Problems will be there. Our attitude towards the problems will change. The frictions will be there, but it will nowhere cause us so tormented and fed up of anything. It's there. It exists. It coexists. Our attention is with the Lord. It goes with the Lord. Okay. Apagata viraha vyathaastadataha rahasi vidhaya dadhata tattva bodham paramasukhachidatmakoham atmetyudayatu vasphutameva chetasiti. Okay. Leela. So many things are happening in this dashaka. Number 8. Sukharasa parimishhrito viyogaha.
सुखरसपरिमिश्रितो वियोगः
Kimapi pura bhavaduddhavopadeshaihi.
किमपि पुरा भवदुद्धवोपदेशैः
Samabhavadamutaf parantu tasam.
समभवतु मुदः परन्तु तासाम्
Paramasukhaikhyamayi bhavadvichinta.
परमसुखैक्यमयी भवद्विचिन्ता सुखरसपरिमिश्रितो वियोगः किमपि पुरा भवदुद्धवोपदेशैः समभवतु मुदः परन्तु तासाम् परमसुखैक्यमयी भवद्विचिन्ता.
So we remember Uddhava had gone and then they were showing him this, that, Krishna Leelas, everything, and Uddhava was mesmerized, like how gopis are always thinking of the Lord and all. We remember that scene, right? So now it's just mentioned over here that Sukharasa Parimishhritaha. So earlier, Viyogaha, that separation, Viyogaha, Sukharasa Mishritaha. The separation was there. That time, okay, the joy and the sorrow were mixed. There was not like complete joy. Pura. in earlier, Pura means earlier, Bhavat Uddhavopadeshaihi. When Uddhava had gone with your message and according to his advertise. But now what is the change? Samabhavad utaf parantasam. But now what is amutaha parantu? After this, amutaha, after this, tatvabodha, tasam to them, parama sukhaikyamai bhavat vichinta. They never have now sorrow. They have never come back. They are in that bliss only. And the thought of the Lord also sets them into the bliss. So earlier with the pangs of separation, Lord's thought means, oh my God, we are missing. Now no more the Lord's name or the Lord's thought itself is giving them the presence and that Atmajnana's bliss. They are there. So it is now constantly with them. This we had compared in one of the sessions or in this only I don't. Like when we don't know driving, but once we get that, do we forget it? First, when we think the steering is everywhere. First, when we don't know the cycle balancing, we are keeping on. Once we know it, after cycle, motorcycle, whatever, we get the same balance automatically. We don't forget that. Once we learn to swim, we don't forget swimming. Once this knowledge has come, it's not forgotten, it stays and they stay in that bliss forever. So now even Bhagavad Vichinta, they are with that unison with the Lord even by thinking of them and there is no more a pang of separation. Sukharasa parimishhrito viyogaha kimapi pura bhavaduddhavopadeshaihi samabhavadamutaf parantu tasam Paramasukhaikhyamai bhavadvichinta. Gayatri, ma. Good to see your hand raised. We have got 2 more. I need 2 more hands, huh? Munivaraniva haistavatha pitra.
Munivaraniva haistavatha pitra.
Duritashmaya shubhani puchyamanaihi.
Duritashmaya shubhani prichyamانैः.
Shubhani bhamahakana.
Shubhani prichyamانैः.
Very good. Tvaisati kimidam shubhantarairittyuruhsitairapi yajitasthadasau. So we cannot break over there. Shubhantarairittyuruha ittyuruhsitairapi ittyuruhsitairapi. Got it?
Okay, I'll try. Tvaisati kimidam rityuruhsitairipi yajitasthadasau.
Not like that. Tvaisati kimidam shubhantarairittyuruhsitairapi yajitasthadasau.
Tvaisati kimidam shubhantarairittyuruhsitairapi yajitasthadasau.
Yajano yajitasthadasau.
Yajitasthadasau. Tvaisati kimidam shubhantarairittyuruhsitairapi yajitasya tasau.
Yajitasthadasau.
Munivaranivahaistadvatha pitra turitashmaya shubhani prichyamانैः. Tvaisati kimidam shubhantarairittyuruhsitairapi yajitasya tasau.
It's okay. You will get it slowly. You will get it. Never mind. Good. Well tried. But you must practice it. Okay. So, Munivara Nivahaihi, group of the Munivaras, the highest sages who are there. Tava Atha Pitra, by your father, Durita Shamaya, for all the papas Shamana, Shubhani Pruchhamanahi, to for a papanasha and all shubha things to happen, to purify oneself, what one must do? Pruchhamanahi, he was asked. He asked who? Nanda Babaji has asked the sages that to purify the sins, what should I do? Then, Tvai sati kimidam, Shubhantaraihi. When you have been their son, then what is the need of other Shubha thing? Lord being the son itself is the most Shubha. On top of that, what is needed? Saying this, iti ruha hasitaihi. Okay. Uru hasitaihi means laughed loudly. Yajitaha, but in spite of laughing loudly, Yajitaha tada asau, they did whatever some rituals have to be done, they have still done. The Lord is your son, and what more purification? You have already purified. But still, they have done some yajna karma, some rituals were performed. Munivaraniva haistavatha pitra Durita Shamaya Shubhani Pruchhamanaihi Tvai sati kimidam shubhantarairityuruhasitairapi yajitastadasau. No more hands? Okay, let's start from beginning. Lalitama. Number 10. Sumahati yajane vitayamane
सुमहति जने वितायमाने
प्रमुदितमित्रजने सहैव गोपाः
प्रमुदितमित्रजने सहैव गोपाः
यदुजनमहितास्त्रिमासमात्रम्
यदुजनमहितास्त्रिमासमात्रम्
भवदनुशङ्गरसम्पुरेव भेजुः
भवदनुशङ्गरसम्पुरेव भेजुः सुमहति यजने वितायमाने प्रमुदितमित्रजने सहैव गोपाः यदुजनमहितास्त्रिमासमात्रम् भवदनुशङ्गरसम्पुरेव भेजुः.
So now, Sumahati Yajana, some big yajna was done, and then Vitayamana, that yajna yajane Vitayamana, that yajna was performed, and Pramudita Mitrajana Saha Eva Gopaha. So all the people, all the Gopas, they were very, very happy. And Yadujana Mahitaha. Yadujana, all the Yadavas, they have honored the Gopas also. And they stayed there for how long? 3 months. For 3 months only they've stayed over there. Puraeva Bhavadanusanga Rasam Puraeva Bhejuhu. And with the company of the Lord, they were all very happy, and the days have been spent like that. In the pretext of having the Yajna, all the Gopas were honored by the Yadus. And they could spend 3 months staying over there in Lord's company. Sumahati yajane vitayamane pramudita mitrajane sahaiva gopaha yadujana mahitastrimasamatram bhavadanushankara sampureva bhejuhu. Let's see. Number 11. Vyapagama samaye sametya radham.
व्यपगमसमये समेत्य राधाम्
Drudhamupaguhya niriksha vitakhedam.
दृढमुपगूह्य निरीक्ष्य वीतखेदाम्
प्रमुदितहृदयः पुरं प्रयातः
प्रमुदितहृदयः पुरं प्रयातः
पवनपुरेश्वर पाहि माङ्गदेभ्यः
पवनपुरेश्वर पाहि माङ्गदेभ्यः व्यपगमसमये समेत्य राधां दृढमुपगुह्य निरीक्ष्य वित्तखेदाम् प्रमुदितहृदयः पुरं प्रयातः पवनपुरेश्वर पाहि माङ्गदेभ्यः सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द.
So now what has happened? Now Vyapagama Samaya has happened, Sametya. So at the time now they have to go. Then Radham, Drudham, Upaguhya. So Radha, Sametya Radham, going to Radha, Drudham Upaguhya, giving her a tight hug. Niriksha, he saw. Vita Khedam, she is no more in grief. Then Pramudita Hridayaha, he was happy then inside in his heart. Puram Prayataha, and he comes back to his place where Dwaraka. Pavanapureshwara, O Guruvayurappa, Pahi Mam, protect me from Gadebhyaha, from all the diseases. Vyapagama Samaye Sametya Radha, Drudhamupaguhya Niriksha Vita Khedam, Pramudita Hridayah Puram Prayataha, पवनपुरेश्वर पाहि माङ्गदेभ्यः सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
Small doubt. Is it not like Vasanta Malika, that Garalam Taralanalam Purastad Jaladirudvija Kala Kala Kutam?
Yes, my dear, yes. With this immense kripa, we have completed this Dashakam. We'll get into the 85th directly. No, what I was going to say that time, the thought. So one quick recap of what we have done today. The first verse, that even there is this, when there was this eclipse, Lord has given Dwaraka in hands of Krutavarma and Anirudh, and with the Yadukula Mahila, he has gone to Sutirtha called as Samanta Panchak. In the second verse, for people's benefit, Bahutara Janahitaya, he has also offered the waters, done ablutions, Tirtha Toyam, Vinimajja, and Punan. He has purified. Then, Vijagana Parimukta Vittarashi, he is given a lot of donations to the Brahmanas, and Samamilitaha Kuru Pandavadi Mitri. And he met Kuru and Pandava and the friends. He has mixed and mingled with them. Verse number 3, Tava Khaludayita Janai Sameta, with your wives, Drupada Sutta Draupadi, Tvai Gada Bhakti Bara, who is having a great devotion to you. Twadudita Bhavadarhuti Prakaraihi, your how you had kidnapped, how you got those wives, all your leelas, Ati Mumude, hearing it from some Anya Bhamini, from other women folks. Draupadi was hearing and enjoying that. Then, number 4, Tadanu Bhagavan Niriksha Gopan Ati. So Lord has seen now the Gopas, and also he has seen the gopis who are Chiratara Viraha Atura, and their Angarekha has gone down. And then in verse number 5, how they were overwhelmed with love, and how their hearts swelled up with love, and how Lord has gone and embraced and buried himself in their love. Then number 6, Lord is explaining Radhika that there were so much Ripujana Kalaha, so much conflicts and enemy, and Vilambana Bhut, that's why so much delay has happened. Then Krutapari Rambhane, Lord hugs her, and then Drakati Vivasha, she was so overwhelmed, and Radhika Nililye, she melted and she was absorbed in the Lord. In number 7, Apagata Viraha, then with all the pangs of separation, all the dukkha of the mind has gone. Apagataha, that time Rahasi, in secret, Dadhata Tattva Bodham, Lord has given them Tattva Bodha, which means what? Paramasodakha chidatmakaha aham iti atma aham. He has said that I am only that supreme consciousness, bliss. And he also tells them, Udayatu sputameva chetasi vaha. In your chetasi, let this be crystal clear that this is the truth and this is the truth about yourself as well. Then in verse number 8, Sukha rasa parimishhritaha viyogaha. Earlier when Uddhava and all was there and when he was telling, so that time there was happiness, but there was also viraha, separation, dukkha was also there. But now Samabhavat Amutaha Param, after hearing this Lord's Tattva Bodha, Parama Sukhaikyamayi, continuously they are in unison with the Lord, even with Bhavad Vichinta, just with the thought of the Lord, they are experiencing that supreme bliss. In number 9, Munivara, his father, he has asked all the Munivaras, Durita Shamaya, what I have to do, Pruchamanaihi, for the Durita Shamana, for to cleanse the papa, what I should do. And then they laughed, Uhu Hasitaihi. So they have Uru Hasitaihi, but they still did Yajitaha, but they still did some performance, yajna sacrifices for them. Then in the 10th verse, Sumahati Yajane, big yajna was organized. All the Gopas and Yadus were together for 3 months, and the Yadus, they gave respect and honored the Gopas very nicely. Then in the 11th, the time has come to go. Lord hugs Radha once, and he sees that she is Vita Khedam. She is free of all the grief. Then Pramudita Hridaya, so Lord is happy in his act. Prayataha, he has gone back to his. And Guru Pavanapureshwara, Guru Vairappa, Ahimam Yadaya. So this is what we have seen in 84. Let's dive into 85. Where are my kids? Prithvi Chandas have we done before? Yes, we have done before. Now in this it is Jarasandha Vadha. Okay. Oh, Tato Magada Bhubhrita Chiranirodha Sankleshitam.
ततो मगध भूभृता चिरनिरोध
तताष्टकयुतायुतद्वितयमीश भूमिभृता.
शताष्टकयुतायुतद्वितयमीश भूभृता भूमिभृता.
Correct. Anath sharanayate kamapi purusham prahinot. The ending.
अनाथ शरणायके कमपि पुरुषं प्राहिणोत्.
Then the line starts with Ayachata samagadha kshapanameva kim bhuyasa.
अयाचत समागधक्षपणमेव किं भूयसा. ततो मगधभूभृता चिरनिरोधसङ्क्लेशितं शताष्टकयुतायुतद्वितयमीश भूमिभृताम्. अनाथ शरणायते कमपि पुरुषं प्राहिणोत्. अयाचत समागध क्षपणमेव किं भूयसा.
Brilliant. Very well done. Okay, so now what is happening over here? Isha, oh Lord, this one. Magadha Bhubhrita. The king of Magadha Bhubhrita is the king of Magadha is Jarasandha. What has he done? Chira Nirodha Sankleshita. He has Chira for a long time. Nirodha, kept in prison, Sankleshitam, and have tortured whom? This Bhumi Bhrita. So Bhumi Bhritam, second line, last word. And so many kings. How many kings? That number is in the second line, first word. Shata ashtaka. Ashta 8. Shata 800. Clear. Yuta along with Ayuta. Ayuta is 10,000. Dvitaya, 2 of 10,000s. That means 20,000. And then that Ashtashata, 800. So 20,800 kings, Bhumi Bhritam. He has kept Chiram for a very long time in prison, Sankleshitam. With an Isha, oh Lord, this Magadha king has done like this. So that time, Anatha Sharanaya, and for those who don't have anybody, you are always there. So, Kamapi, some messenger, Purusham, Prahinot, was sent, Ayachata, asking for Magadha Kshapanameva Kim Bhuyasa. What more? Just death of this Magadha king only they have asked. They didn't say just free us from the jail and from this torture. May death be upon this Jarasandha. Like that, some messenger was sent to the Lord. Lord is who? Anatha Sharanaya. For who don't have anybody, be assured Lord is there for you. It is in that way the message was sent to Lord. Tato magada bhubhrita chiranirodha sankleshitam shatashtaka yutayutadvitayamisha bhumi bhritam anatha sharanayate kamapi purusham prahinot ayachata samagadhak kshapanameva kim bhuyasa. Yes, Arjun. Iyasurabimagadhan tadanu narado diritat. So ending.
ईयासुरभिमागधं तदनु नारदो दीरितात्.
You starting. Yudhishthiramakhodhyama dubhaya paryakulaha.
युधिष्ठिरमखोद्यमादुभयकार्यपर्याकुलः
विरुद्धजयिनोध्वरा दुभयसिद्धिरित्युद्भवे
विरुद्धजयिनोध्वरादुभयसिद्धिरित्युद्धवे
शशंसुषि निजैः समं पुरमियेथ यौधिष्ठिरी
शशंसुषि निजैः समं पुर्यमियेथ यौधिष्ठिरीम् ययासुरभिमागधं तदनु नारदो दीरितात् युधिष्ठिरमखोद्यमादुभयकार्यपर्याकुलः विरुद्धजयिनोध्वरादुभयसिद्धिरित्युद्धवे शशंसुषि निजैः समं पुरमियेथ यौधिष्ठिरीम्.
Sir, now one scene is coming out over here. Iyasura Abhigada. Abhimagadham. Abhimagadham against Magadha king. Against Jarasandha. Iyasuhu. Iyasuhu is desiring to go for a war against Magadha, means against Jarasandha. Tadanu. That time is when Lord is planning to set out to teach Jarasandha a lesson. That time, Narada Urita. Narado Diritat. Narada has come and told what? Yudhishthira Makhodyamat. Yudhishthira's one yajna is going to happen. So that would be that Rajasuya yajna. In Makhodyamat, then what has happened? Ubhaya Karya Paryakulaha. Now Lord is having a doubt. Ubhaya Karya Paryakula. Now which to give importance? Yudhishthira's Rajasuya is also important. To kill Jarasandha is also important. Now what to do? So this Viruddha Jainaha. This Viruddha means those who are against us, we have to win over that Jainaha. We have to win over the enemies. And in that Adhvarat. Adhvarat means in that by that sacrifice of this this Rajasuya Yajna is that is happening. Ubhaya siddhihi iti Uddhave. So Uddhava suggests that you should go to Yudhishthira because that is a Rajasuya. So a Rajasuya could be successful if you have defeated all the kings. So you go to, anyways go to Yudhishthira. So by that time, Jarasandha would be defeated. A war with Jarasandha is inevitable because Yajna is happening where you have to win over all the other kings, those who are opposite of you. If the kings are coming and joining you, there is no other problem. But if they are not putting down their weapons and if they're standing against, you will anyways have to go on a war with Jarasandha. Uddhava suggests this. So, Shashamsichi Nijaihi. So, like this, by his advice, along with his people, all of them, Puram Iyetha Yudhishthiri. So, with all of his people, now he goes to Yudhishthiri in Yudhishthira's place. That is, whatever is Yudhishthira's place, Indraprastha, he has gone. Who? Lord, along with all the people, his family members, everybody, because such a big Yaga Yajna is happening. Ya Surabhimagadhan tadanu narado diritat Yudhishthira makhodyamadubhaya karya paryakulaha Viruddha jainodhvara siddhirityuddhave Shashamsushi nijai samam purimiyetha Yudhishthiri. Yes, Anish. Number 3. Ashesha daitayute tvai samagate dharmajaha.
अशेषदयितायुते त्वयि समागते धर्मजः
विजित्य सहजैर्महीं भवदपाङ्गसंवर्धितैः
नित्य सहजैर्महीं भवदपाङ्गसंवर्धितैः
श्रियन्निरुपमां वहन्नः भक्तदासायितम्
यन्निरुपमां वहन्नः भक्तदासायितम्
भवन्तमयिमागधे प्रहितवान् स भीमार्जुनम्
भवन्तमयिमागधे प्रहितवान् स भीमार्जुनम् अशेषदयितायुते त्वयि समागते धर्मजः विजित्य सहजैर्महीं भवदपाङ्गसंवर्धितैः यन्निरुपमां वहन्नः भक्तदासायितम् भवन्तमयिमागधे प्रहितवान् स भीमार्जुनम्.
Thank you, Anish. So now, what is happening out over here? Ashesha Daitayute, with all the Daitas, with all the wives, Tvai Samagate Dharmajaha. You have reached Dharmajaha's place. You have reached Indraprastha. Okay, with all wives, with everybody, with whole family, Lord has reached. First line over. Second, Vijitya, having won our Lyabanta Vyay. Yesterday we saw Tvanta, and now this is Lyabanta, meaning both will have same. One, it is only the dhatu with a prefix or without a prefix, you will become Tvanta or Lyabanta. So Vijitya Sahajaihi, with the brothers Mahim, the earth, Bhavadapanga Samvardhitaihi. By your grace only, he has won with his brothers the entire earth. And Shriyam Nirupamam, third line, means one which, the wealth which cannot be counted. Oh, Dharmaraja has earned so much. Ahaha, Bhakta Dasaitam, you are Bhakta's Dasa. What to say? Bhavantamai, to you, Magadhe, to Magadha, Prahitavan. You were being sent by Yudhishthira with Bhima Arjuna. With Bhima and with Arjuna, you have been sent to Magadha. And you are Bhakta's Dasa. So you have only prompted that in his. So the one, that Dharmaraja who has earned immense wealth and he is ruling the Bhumi itself, the earth, he has sent now to Magadha Bhagwanji, Bhima and Arjuna. So many. All, all the bests have gone to Jarasandhana. अशेषदयितायुते त्वयि समागते धर्मजः विजित्य सहजैर्महीं भवदपाङ्गसंवर्धितैः श्रियन्निरुपमावहन्तः भक्तदासायितम् भवन्तमयि मागधे रहितवान् स भीमार्जुनम्. Adults, please raise hands, those who want to volunteer. Lalitama. Aha, I see her. How are you, my dear?
Yeah, बोल.
Kashi ahes?
I'm good.
You are good. Which slok you are going to chant for us today?
कुठला म्हणशील? म्हण. म्हण की.
I have been practicing my Ram Raksha.
Oh, you have not practiced?
I have practiced a little.
You have practiced a little. Okay, so let us have 2 verses only.
सुरू कर.
नानालङ्कारदीप्तं तदतमुरजटा मण्डनं रामचन्द्रं विजिध्यानं चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनं ध्यात्वा नीलोत्तरलक्ष्यां रामं राजीवलोचनं जानकी लक्ष्मणोपेतं जटामुकुटमण्डितं सासीतून धनुर्बाणं पाणिनक्तं शरान्तकं स्वलीलयां जगत्त्रातुं माविर्भूतवजन्येवं रामरक्षा पठेत् पाद्र्या पापग्निं स्वर्मकामदा शिरो मे राघव पातु बालं दशरथात्मजः कौसल्येयोधृशो पातु विश्वामित्रं प्रियश्रुति व्राणं पातु मखत्रातां मुखं त्रिवत्सला जिह्वामित्राणि दीप्पातु कण्ठं भरतमण्डितां स्कन्धौ दिव्यायुधः पातु भुजौ भग्नेषु कर्मुकः करौ सीताकटिः पातु हृदयं मध्यं
पातु खरत्वंसि
नाभिर्जम्बुकटाश्रया सुग्रीवेषु कटी पातु
सक्थिनी हनुमत प्रभु.
सक्तिनी धर्मप्रभु.
ओके, आता सक्थिनी पर्यंत आपण पोचलो. त्याच्या पुढचं आता पाहिजे. पादौ विभीषण श्रीदः पातु रामोखे हो बपुः. आता आपल्या एकेका बॉडीचे पार्ट झाले. डोक्यापासून सुरुवात झाले, भुज झालं, छाती झाली, मांडी झाले. आता सक्तीपर्यंत आलं तर पुढचं ना पुढच्या सोमवारी येऊन पादापासून सुरुवात कर. ओके, excellent, well done, excellent. You are saying, you know what you are saying. You are calling out Rama with his different names and you are invoking one body part, asking Rama to protect you. That is the shloka you are saying. Shiro me Raghava Pathu Bhalam Dasharathatmajaha. May my head be protected by Raghava. Bhala Dasharathatmaja. Sugrivesha Katipal. So every body part from head to toe is being chanted and Rama's various names have been said. So now you have reached till Sakini. After that you have not said. So you have to memorize that part and come next Monday. Okay. Hari Om, darling. Excellent. Bless you, sweetie. So let us go ahead. Where are we? Number 4. गिरिव्रजपुरङ्गतास्तदनुदेव यूयन्त्रयः
गिरिव्रजपुरं गतास्तदनु देवयूयन्त त्रयाः
त्रयाः न त्रयः.
त्रयः देवयूयन्त्रयः
यया च समरोत्सवन् द्विजमिषेण तं मागधम्.
यया च समरोत्सवं द्विजमिषेण तं मागधम्
अपूर्णसुकृतं त्वमुं पवनजेन सङ्ग्रामयन्.
अपूर्णसुकृतं त्वमुन् पवनजेन सङ्ग्रामयन्
निरीक्ष्य सह जिष्णुना त्वमपि राजयुध्वा स्थितः.
निरीक्ष्य सह जिष्णुना त्वमपि राजयुध्वा स्थितः गिरिव्रजपुरं गतास्तदनु देवयूयन्त्रयः यया च समरोत्सवं द्विजमिषेण तं मागधम् अपूर्णसुकृतं त्वमुं पवनजेन सङ्ग्रामयन् निरीक्ष्य सह जिष्णुना त्वमपि राजयुध्वा स्थितः.
So now the scene is Yudhishthira has sent Bhagwan, Bhima and Arjuna. So now in this fourth verse, Giri Vrajapuram. Giri Vraja is the capital of Magadha. They have gone there, Gataha, Tadanu, that time, Deva, O Lord, Yuyam Trayaha, you three, Yayacha, asked for Samara Utsavam, wrestling between the two people, and how they have gone, Dvijamishena. Dvijamishena. They have not gone as Bhagwan and Bhima and Arjuna. They have gone disguised as Brahmanas. Tammagadam. To that Jarasandha, Yayacha. They have begged for asking Dvandva Yuddha. Okay. Then, Apurna Sukrutam. He doesn't have so much Sukruta. Who? Jarasandha. Tvam Amum. So, means to get killed through Lord's hand, so much Sukruta is not there. So, Pavanajena, Pavana's son, that is Bhima. Sangramayan. So, Bhima was sent to fight with him. And Niriksha Saha Jishnuna, with the Jishnu. Who is with Jishnu? With Arjuna. Tvamapi. Rajayudhva Sthitaha. You have set up battles between the two kings and you are sitting with Jishnu, sitting with Arjun and watching that. You are not, because so much Sukruta Jarasandha didn't have that he has to get death through your hands in that. गिरिव्रजपुरङ्गतास्तदनु देवयूयन्त्रयः यया च समरोत्सवं द्विजमिषेण तं मागधम् अपूर्णसुकृतं त्वमुं पवनजेन सङ्ग्रामयन् निरीक्ष्य सह जिष्णुना त्वमपि राजयुध्वा स्थितः. Lataji. Number 5. Ashanta samarodhatan vitapapatana santnyaya.
अशान्तसमरोद्धतं विटपपाटना संज्ञया
निपात्य जरसस्सुतं पवनजेन निष्पाटितम्.
निपात्य जरसस्सुतं पवनजेन निष्पाटितम्
विमुच्य नृपतीन्मुदा समनुगृह्य भक्तिं पराम्.
विमुच्य नृपतीन् मुदा समनुगृह्य भक्तिं पराम्
विदेशितगतस्पृहानपि च धर्मगुप्त्यै भुवः.
विदेशितगतस्पृहानपचि धर्मगुप्त्यै भुवः अशान्तसमरोद्धतं विटपपाटना संज्ञया निपात्य जरसः सुतं पवनजेन निष्पाटितम् विमुच्य नृपतीन् मुदा समनुगृह्य भक्तिं पराम् दिदेशिथ गतस्पृहा नपि च धर्मगुप्त्यै भुवः.
So in this verse, Jarasandha's Vadha has happened. So Ashanta Samarodhatam, Ashantaha, and Uddhata is arrogance, who himself is not stable and his arrogance blooming up, that Jarasandha, Vitapa Patana Santnya. Lord has Santnyaya by the sign of Vitapa Patana. Vitapa is a leaf or a branch, and he has tear it like this and shown vertically. Like this, Lord has signed to Bhima, who is fighting with Jarasandha, that if Jarasandha needs to be killed, he needs to be slit vertically. Because Jarasandha's birth was weird. He was not born together. It was then his mother who has joined and fixed and brought him up. That's why he is Jarasandha. He was joined and brought up. So his death is also written like that. So Lord Sadnyaya, by Lord signaling that how he would be killed, then like that, this Jarasa Sutam, Jarasa has brought up Jarasandha, hence this name. So Jarasa Sutam, Jarasa Suta, Pavanajena, by Pavana's Putra, that is Bhima, Nipatya, he was killed, Nishpatitam, by slitting him vertically. Then Vimuchandrupatin, all those kings who were jailed, Vimucha, they were being freed. Muda, they were happy. Samanagruhya bhaktim param, they were given lot of bhakti in para, means para, they were given the highest devotion. It was instilled in them. And didheshita gata spruhan, the spruhas, the desires were taken off from them. And dharma guptyai bhuvaha, they were instructed to rule the world by dharma marga only. So many. So who, if these politicians, right, they have got so many desires, only their relatives will get certain jobs, or only their relatives will get certain tenders, or only their relatives will get certain lands, and they will have so many scams, which the previous government. The desires they couldn't fulfill because the desires never can be fulfilled. They kept on increasing. So whether it is a daughter, whether it is a son-in-law, whether it is the son, whether everything take. And then we get one such politician who is Gataspruha, who doesn't want anything for himself, who is give for the nation. We have seen this. Okay. So when the rulers are Gataspruha, they can rule better. But when they have so much desires, how much ever they get will not be enough because desire has no end. Plus, the ruler has to be according with dharma. Just because Pahalgam happens, India doesn't go rampant on killing the civilians on that side. It can be done. If there is a targeted missile going to a Kirana hill, the targeted missile can go anywhere. If 11 air bases can be targeted, and before that, even the 9 bases of terrorists can be targeted, the target can be even civilians, right? Nobody is thinking that. Intention, you see, that it's not intention to harm. Intention is to reply for that. So when there is a certain amount of dharma instilled in the king should have no desire of himself first. Otherwise, this kind of actions won't come. That nobody is thinking that who can act in such a way, who has got tremendous love for his own country and own countrymen, and who stands for the dharma. A dharma yuddha was not done. A dharma action was done, but the reply was given as dharmic action of it. Just because the innocent lives were killed over here, over there go and kill a few more innocent lives. That was not done. Lord is teaching this again and again. The kings should be like this. The so many rules and regulations for the kings are also there. But nobody is realizing or valuing that aspect. But over here again, this is said, which we can relate it to our society, what we are experiencing. This cannot be put, okay, this is once upon a time, that time, and it's useless. No. No, that same knowledge is only useful now. If this has to be happen, we'll have to put use to this kind of knowledge over here. So it should be bhakti para, devotion to the Lord has to happen. Gataspruha, desires should go. And dharma gupta, you have to stay at the path of dharma. Then only a person can be a ruler. Lord instilled all this to those 20,800 kings who were jailed when they were freed. They were not just freed. So much things were instilled into them. अशांत समरोद्धतं विटपपाटना संज्ञया निपात्य जरसस्सुतं पवनजेन निष्पाटितं विमुच्य नृपतीन् मुदा समनुगृह्य भक्तिं परां विदेशितगतस्पृहारपि च धर्मगुप्त्यै भुवः. शोभाजी. Oh, we are only on 6th verse. Time is finishing. Okay, let's speed up. As always. Prachak, borrowing time. Prachakrushi yudhishthire tadanurajasuyadhvaram.
प्रचक्रुषि युधिष्ठिरे तदनुराजसूयाध्वरम्
प्रसन्नभृतकी भवत् सकलराजकव्याकुलम्.
प्रसन्नभृतकी भवत् सकलराजकव्याकुलम्.
त्वमप्ययि जगत्पते द्विजपदावने जादिकम्.
त्वमप्ययि जगत्पते द्विजपदावने जातिकम्.
चकर्थ किमु कथ्यते नृपवरस्य भाग्योन्नतिः.
चकर्थ किमु कथ्यते नृपवरस्य भाग्योन्नतिः. प्रचक्रुषि युधिष्ठिरे तदनुराजसूयाध्वरम्. प्रसन्नभृतकी भवत् सकलराजकव्याकुलम्. त्वमप्ययि जगत्पते द्विजपदावने जातिकम्. चकर्थ किमु कथ्यते नृपवरस्य भाग्योन्नतिः.
So now what has happened? This Rajasuya is happening. Okay. Prachakrushi Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira has tadanu Rajasuya Dhvaram. He has performed the Rajasuya Yajna. And then Prasanna Abhrutaki Bhavat Sakala Rajaka Vyakulam. Okay. So all the kings, they what they have done is Bhrutaki Bhavat. Bhrutaki is like taking a subordinate role, and you obey the orders and you work and you help around. Like you become a volunteer and you can clean. You become volunteer in ashram and you would do any work. At home probably you may not. You might have a helper at home. But when you come to ashram, you leave your identity and then you do whatever the menial jobs are, also that they are no more menial because you are doing it for the ashram. So like that, all the other kings, because Yudhishthira has performed the Rajasuya, all the other kings become subordinate and they did all the petty jobs as well, and they were actually doing it very happily as well. And then Tvamapi and Lord also. So Lord is not missed from this. What he has done? Dvijapadavane chadikam. Dvijapada, he has washed the Dvijapadas or Brahmana's feet. He has avaneja. He washed And chakartha kimu kathyate nrupavarasya bhagyonnati. Nrupavarasya bhagyonnatihi kimu kathyate. What is to be said about the bhagyonnati, the fortune, the great fortune of the kings who have been gathered. So even Yudhishthira has done Rajasuya, other kings also bhagyonnati has happened. प्रचकृषि युधिष्ठिरे तदनुराजसूयाध्वरम् प्रसन्नभृतकी भवत्सकलराजकव्याकुलम् त्वमप्ययि जगत्पते द्विजपदावने जादिकम् चकर्थ किमु कथ्यते नृपवरस्य भाग्योन्नतिः. राधा कृष्णन जी. Number 7. ततः सवन कर्मणि प्रवरमग्र्य पूजा विधिम्.
ततः सवन कर्मणि प्रवरमग्र्य पूजा विधिम्
विचार्य सह देववागनुगतः स धर्मात्मजः.
विचार्य सह देववागनुगतः स धर्मात्मजः.
व्यधत्त भवते मुदा सदसि विश्वभूतात्मने.
व्यधत्त भवते मुदा सदसि विश्वभूतात्मने.
तदा ससुरमानुषं भुवनमेव तृप्तिं दधौ.
तदा ससुरमानुषं भुवनमेव तृप्तिं दधौ. ततः सवनकर्मणि प्रवरमग्र्य
ततः
पूजा
सवन
विधिम्.
no no you start like this. ततः सवन कर्मणि.
ततः सवनकर्मणि प्रवरमग्र्य पूजा विधिम् विचार्य सह देववागनुगतः स धर्मात्मज. व्यधत्त भवते मुदा सदसि विश्वभूतात्मने. तदा ससुरमानुषं भुवनमेव तृप्तिं दधौ.
See, in that second line, Vicharya Sahadeva Vag Anugataha Dharmatmajaha. So this Dharmaraja, on Sahadeva's advice, what he has done? Pravaram Agriya Puja with him. He has done the Agriya Puja. Agriya Puja means worshipping of all the adults, elders, those who are, holding a great place. So on Sahadeva's advice, Dharmatma has done this, Dharmaraj has done this, and then Vyadhatta Bhavate Muda Sadasi Vishwabhutatmane. So you are the one who is the Vishwabhutatma, who is the soul of all of the world. Muda, joyfully. So everybody over there, Sasura Manusham Bhuvanameva Truptim Dadhau, everybody who were present there were happy with this act, and everything was revolving around the Lord only. ततः सवन कर्मणि प्रवरमग्र्य पूजा विधिम् विचार्य सह देववागनुगतः स धर्मात्मजः. व्यधत्त भवते मुदा सदसि विश्वभूतात्मने. तदा ससुरमानुषं भुवनमेव तृप्तिं दधौ. लीलामा. Number 8. ततः सपदि चेदिपो मुनिनृपेषु तिष्ठत्स्वहो.
ततः सपति चेतिपो मुनिनृपेषु तिष्ठत्स्वहो.
तिष्ठत्सु अहो. सभाजयति को जडः पशुपदुरुटं वटुं. दुरूटं वटुं. दुरूटं, रू is there, sorry.
सभाजयति को जडः
सभाजयति को जडः.
सभाजयति को जडः पशुपदुर्दूतं वटुम्.
इति त्वयि सदुर्वचो वितति मुद्वमन्नासना.
इति त्वयि सदुर्वचो वितति मुद्वमन्नासना.
Nasanat. Ta. Half ta.
इति त्वयि सदुर्वचो विततिमुत्वमन्नासनात्
Then Uda is the starting. Uda patat udayudhas samapatannamum pandavaha.
तापदतुतायुधः समपतन्नमुं पाण्डवाः ततः सपदि चेदिपो मुनिनृपेषु तिष्ठत्स्वहो सभाजयति को जडः पशुपदुर्दुरूटं वटुम् इति त्वयि सदुर्वचो विततिमुध्वमन्नासनात् आपतदुतायुधः समपतन्नमुं पाण्डवाः.
Okay. So now all this puja, worshipping all the kings, everything is happening. So now that time tataha sapadi immediately Chedipaha, the king of Chedi, Insu, Shishupala, Munindrupeshu Tishthatsu aho. Munindrupeshu Tishthatsu. Huh? So many munis are there, so many nrupas are there, Tishthatsu are over here. And Sir Bhajati, you are doing Kojadaha Pashupa Durutam Vatum. And this Pashupa, who is this cowherd boy? His puja you are doing. Like this, Shishupal holds objection when Krishna's puja was getting done. Iti tvai, and like this, Durvachaha Vitati Udvaman. He was vomiting abuses, clinging abuses, Durvachaha, Durvaka, who? Shishupala on Lord. And Asanat Udapatat, from his place he got up and Udapatat Udayudaha, as if to hold up a war with his weapons. That time Samapatum Amum Pandavaha, that time these Pandavas also Samapatan rushed towards him. Chedi's king was so angry that he flung abuses on the Lord and with his weapon raised rushed to the Lord. Seeing this, Pandavas also rushed to stop Shishupala. Tatas sapadi chedipo muninrupeshu tishthatsvaho sabhajayati kojada pashupadurdurutam vatum. Iti tvai sadurvacho vitati udvamannasanat udapatat udayudhas samapatannamum pandavaha. Gayatri, ma? Number 9. Nivarya nija pakshaganabhimukhasya vidveshinaha.
निवार्य निजपक्षगानभिमुखस्य विद्वेषिणः
Tvameva jahushe shiro danujadharina svarina.
त्वमेव जगृषे शिरो धनुजधारिणा स्वारिणा
Good. Janustritaya labdhaya satata chintaya shuddhadhihi.
जनुस्त्रिदयलब्धया सततचिन्तया शुद्धधीः
Tvaya saha param ekatamadhrita yoginan durlabham.
त्वया स परमेकता मधृथ योगिनां दुर्लभाम् निवार्य निजपक्षघानभिमुखस्य विद्वेषिणः त्वमेव जगृषे शिरो धनुजधारिणा स्वारिणा जनुस्त्रितय लब्धया सतत चिन्तया शुद्धधीः त्वया स परमेकता मधृथ योगिनां दुर्लभाम् sorry
Yes.
mixed with
Yes, the tune
the
is everywhere, but you will get it slowly. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You are trying your best, and that's okay. and you should come forward and try, because without volunteering, it will not improve. So I will not say don't volunteer. I will definitely say come again to volunteer only. But the tune, so you'll improve on the tune when you practice. Okay,
Sorry.
Niva, yeah. I'm sorry, it's okay, Gatrima. So many people are there. Nobody is daring to volunteer. You are daring to volunteer, so I'm appreciating that. So don't say sorry. Everybody should volunteer. Everybody are hiding, keeping their cameras closed and not participating in the class. They want the class, but they want to chat. Never mind. Each one will have something or the other. So it's okay, Catherine. Come on. Now let's go ahead. Nija Pakshagan. So whoever is on the side, Nivarya, holding them. Tvam, Eva, you are Danuja Darina, who is cutting down all the asuras. Svarina, with his chakra, Sudarshana. So by the time they could do anything, Lord's chakra has gone and cut Shishupala's head. Finished. Shishupala is done and dusted. Januhu Tritaya Labdhaya. 3 times he has got this, and Satata Chintaya Shuddhadihi. So Shishupala has got this 3rd time. He's thinking of the Lord. Earlier 2 times, which was that? He was the Hiranyakashipu. He was only the Ravana. And now as a Shishupala. And he's opposite of Lord. But he's constantly thinking of the Lord. So his Shuddhadhi has happened. And Tvayasaha Paramekata Madhrita Yoginam Durlabham. For yogis also it is Durlabha, and he gets it. Because he's thinking of the Lord continuously. That's why yesterday also I said, are we thinking of the Lord continuously? We are not thinking of the Lord continuously. So even his Shatru is thinking of the Lord continuously, is getting Paramekata. Yesterday we saw Sayujya. Now we are seeing Paramekata. Continuously thinking of the Lord. When we have our enemy sit in our head, we continuously think of them. Or just think of any of the enemy. Office boss. I don't know, in house we have anybody. One particular relative, I don't know. A neighbor, somebody. Somebody will be there. Constantly where we are comparing, we are getting jealous, we are fighting, we are not liking something, we'll have one person in life. And that person occupies so much in mind. I remember Swami Abhedanandji saying, don't collect the negativity, because you will collect the impression and you keep thinking of that bad negativity and you make that impression deeper and deeper and it becomes drudha in your head. Don't give them so space in your head and mind. And what we do, what we dislike, those people only we think so much. Not of the Lord. Nivarya nija pakshagana bhimukhasya vidveshinaha tvameva jahishe shiro danujadarina svarina janustritaya labdhaya satata chintaya shuddhadhihi Tvaya saha paramekata madhrita yoginan durlabham. 2 more verses. 3. Can somebody put in daily Gita? We are going to be 8 minutes late. You say 10 minutes late. You don't have the pressure to finish fast and go. Okay. Who has done more? Oh wow, I see 2 new hands. Yay. Come over. Magic. Number 10. ततः सुमहिते त्वया क्रतुवरे निरूढे जनः
ततः सुमहिते त्वया क्रतुवरे निरूढे जनः
ययौ जयति धर्मजो जयति कृष्ण इत्यालपन्
ययौ जयति धर्मजो जयति कृष्ण इत्यालपन्
खलः स तु सुयोधनो धृतमनासपत्नश्रिया
खलः स तु सुयोधनो धृतस्मनासपत्नश्रिया
मयार्पितसभामुखे स्थलजलभ्रमादभ्रमी.
So ma'am, sthala jalap, that will be a stress, and then again मादभ्रमि
स्थल
भ्रमि
स्थल जल भ्रमादभ्रमी
मयार्पितसभामुखे स्थलजलभ्रमादभ्रमीत् ततः सुमहिते त्वया क्रतुवरे निरूढे जनः ययौ जयति धर्मजो जयति कृष्ण इत्यालपन् खलः स तु सुयोधनो धृतमनः सपत्नश्रिया मयार्पितसभामुखे स्थलजलभ्रमादभ्रमीत्.
So now what has happened? Sumahite tvaya kratuvare. Sumahite kratuvare. So this big yajna that was completed. Nirudhe janaha. So the people, what they are saying? Yayau jayati dharmarajaha. They are praising Dharmaraja. They are saying Jayati Dharmaraja. Jayati Dharmaraja. So victory to Dharmaraja. Then, and they are saying also Jayati Krishna iti alapan. They are saying Jai Shri Krishna also they are saying. So all this was happening, and that time that Khalaha Suyodhanaha Khalaha Suyodhanaha, not Duryodhanaha. That Khalaha, that wicked Duryodhanaha, what has happened to him? Dhutamana sapatna shriya. So Dhutamanaha, he was shaken out of jealousy by seeing what? Sapatna shriya. So much prosperity with Dhritarashtra, with the Dharmaraja, Duryodhana could not tolerate. And then this Mayarpita Sabha Mukhya is there, no? They also have this Sthala Jala Bhramada Bhramit. Where there is Sthala, Jala is seen. Where there is Jala, Sthala is seen. Right? The land and the water they had. And all that was so very confusing and so much richness. So Duryodhana is now burning out of jealousy. Tata sumahite tvaya kratuvare nirudhe janaha yayau jayati dharmajo jayati krishna ityalapan khalasatu suyodhano dhutamana sapatna shriya mayarpita sabhamukhe sthala jalabhramadabhrami. So now in the next verse, we will come to know what is the link of this verse. Let's see. Last verse. Has somebody put in Daily Gita message that we are going to be 10 minutes late? If not, please. Tada hasitamuthitan drupadanandana bhimayoho.
Tada hastita muttitan drupadanandana bhimayoho.
Very good. Apanga kalaya vibho kimapi tavadujrumbhayan.
Apanga kalaya vibho kimapi tavadujrumbhayan.
Kimapi tava, not tava.
Kimapi tavadujrumbhayan.
Correct. धराभर निराकृतौ सपदि नाम बीजं वपन्.
धराभर निराकृतौ सपदि नाम बीजं वपन्.
जनार्दन मरुत्पुरी निलय पाहि मामया.
जनार्दन मरुत्पुरी निलय पाहि मामया. तदा हसितमुत्थितं द्रुपदनन्दना भीमयोः. अपाङ्गकलया विभो किमपि तावदुजृम्भयन्. धराभर निराकृतौ सपदि नाम बीजं वपन्. जनार्दन मरुत्पुरी निलय पाहि मामया.
Excellent, Indiraji. Very good. You also should volunteer every week. It would change. Confidence will increase. Those who are shying away also, please volunteer. Then only it will come. Okay. Tada. So now this one, that Sthala Jala Brahmada Brahmit was happening for Duryodhana. So that time, Rasitam Uthitam Drupada Nandana and Bhimayo. Drupada Nandana, daughter of Drupada, Drupada Nandana and Bhimayo. So Draupadi and Bhima, Hasitam Uthitam, they laugh like crazy. So it's all the more insulting now for Duryodhana. Okay. So this Apanga Kalaya, from his Apanga, from the side glances, Vibho, or pervading Lord, Kimapi, something, Tavad, that time, Ujrum Bhayan, you have only encouraged for all this to happen. And then, Dhara Bhara Nirakrito, Dhara Bhumis, Bhara, burden, Nirakrito, to get rid of the burden of this Bhumi, Sapadi, that time only, Nama Bijam Vapan to sow. You have sown the seed, Bijam Vapan, of getting rid of this Dhara Bhara. Means Duryodhana is a burden on the earth. Draupadi's laughter. First of all, Yudhishthira's wealth is making him jealous. Then they have this kind of a palace which is confusing, where there is land, it's actually water, and where you are seeing water, that is land. Such mesmerizing, magical palace they have built. In that, he has fell in that water. Draupadi is laughing like crazy. Bhima's laughter is roaring. All that is so very insulting. Lord has sowed a seed over there, so that Duryodhana's out of jealousy takes up a wrong step, and further he would be eliminated. So this Bijam Vapan that time for Dhara Bhara Nirakrito, to reduce the burden of the earth. This is what the language is. Marutpuri Nilaya. Oh Guruvayarappa. Oh Janardana. Now it is called Janardana, one who protects the Janas. Pahimam Amayat. Please protect me from all my diseases. Tada hasitamuthitam drupadanandana bhimayoho apanga kalaya vibho kimapi tavadujrumbhayan dharabhara nirakritau sapadi nama bijau vapan janardana marutpuri nilaya pahi mamamayat. Sada sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavam Namaste. With his immense krupa, yay, we've completed 85 today. 15 more to go, yes. Just let his krupa continuously flow on us. Hopefully next week we can do next further too. And please keep on practicing, keep chanting Narayanam every day. 5 dashakams per day at least should chant. One dashakam takes hardly 5 minutes. So please do spend some half an hour daily. Some time, you fix one time which is your own time, which you don't get phone calls, where you've cooked and served the family, where you have kept all the family members shantam. You have your own time. Take that time slot and chant Narayanam. 5 dashakams. Do the repeat round. First 5, second 5. Then again when you finish, do. So like that, unless it is repeated, I don't know, 100 times or 1,000 times, it will not be yours. It has to be like this. So you will have to own it. It will not come anything. Anything will not come without him. Cycle you have fallen. You have practiced it many times, you've got. New office work, you practice it so many times, you've got. Our small time when you're as a KG book, we write A for apple, so many pages after pages. After that only we have got. Anything, whatever we have done, we have got only after a practice. Nobody simply got anything. Okay. So this also will simply not come. We'll have to chant. So please chant. Put some sankalpa. If you are not able to chant 5 chapters, put 3 chapters. do something. One dashakam will not work. Only 5 minutes giving and expecting such big results will not come. Because one dashakam takes only 5 minutes. Give some 10-15 minutes investment into Narayaniam. Unless it is done, it is a tougher call. So please invest into it. Start from back, start from front, some side start. And then do that every day. Every day means not one day to be made. You've gone for a party, okay, after you come back, you do. You've gone for a movie, okay, after you come back, you do. You are traveling, okay, in the travel, you do. So what, no excuse. Even if you are in flight, you are in train, you are in bus, wherever, take it. You are not able to take the book, take the scan copy, keep it on your phone. Everybody takes phone, no? So that you cannot escape a phone. Put it in the phone, sit over there and read. Read. No excuse. Like that, it has to go daily. Daily Narayana. Put one sankalpa, 3 dashakams, 5 dashakams. I know people who do 10 dashakams also. I'm not asking you 10 dashakams. 10 dashakams, 1 hour, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, it will go. I'm saying give 15-20 minutes every day. It should happen. If you have not done it so far, please do it, because now we are 85. 15 dashakams will just finish like this, because he has sailed us up till 85. Next 15 also he will sail us. So that time after finishing, I will start. That time it will know. After finishing, you should know. So if you have to know after finishing, means now you have to practice. Okay. Let us end and go to daily Gita. And immense gratitude to Lord for making us reach at this. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all next Monday.
Thank you. Namaste.
Hari Om Shri.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Varsha ji. Thank you.
Thank
Hari Om.
you.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Thank you.